In this ad, we'll share our and the market's thoughts on the future of BCH while talking about the estimated cost of Bitcoin Cash in 2023 and more. If it's not too much trouble, keep in mind that you should think about this in another forecast while taking other things into account. Since seeing anything is a bother, let alone trying to guess what will happen to Bitcoin Cash, which is a new and very unpredictable form of currency. Now, let's get to it. Before we get too deep into the Bitcoin Cash price prediction and answer questions like whether BCH is a good investment or not, or why BCH will succeed or fail, or why the Bitcoin Cash price will go up or down, let's take a quick look at what BCH is and where it's been so far. History: midway through 2017, Bitcoin will be used as money. A group of programmers who wanted to raise Bitcoin's block size limit set up a code change. This change, called a hard fork, took effect on August 1, 2017. So, the Bitcoin record, called the blockchain, and the digital money were split in two. Bitcoin Cash was made because early Bitcoin traders were having trouble working together. Financial backers are coming more and more to the same opinions about the best chain scaling solutions for Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash also focuses on strict obedience to what is known as Satoshi's vision for the first Bitcoin, which was to see distributed exchanges as the future of money. The organization's main suggestion, and the thing that should be advanced compared to other factors, such as security, are different in this way. This is what made it possible to increase the block size from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes. Its main goal is to increase the number of transactions it can handle, assuming that Bitcoin Cash will want to compete with the number of transactions that industry giants like PayPal and Visa can already handle. Bitcoin Cash price prediction: the crypto world is on the verge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has dropped 75% from its all-time high in the middle of a lot of bad news. When the latest bankruptcies of huge industry players are added to the situation, it's clear that the market is in a bad place. This is because of the US economy's rapid growth and rate hikes. The future looks cloudy, and there will be more blood in the city of Crypto Town. Investors are selling risky assets and moving into more stable business areas. Crypto is still seen as a very risky bet, so our algorithm still sees some green in the auction in 2023, especially in the second half of the year. This is mirrored in our expectations for 2023. At the moment, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the opposite direction and change course. When Bitcoin finds a comfortable price range, altcoins will start to do the same. We have seen this happen many times in the past. Our price expectation model is negative for the next 90 days, with a slight buyer market at the end of Q1 and beginning of Q2. We expect whales and other big players in the market to finish filling their positions. Spike Group made a cost expectation model that takes both specialized examination and central evaluation of each job into account. Essentials that we look at include no comics use case, local area showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, fame and speculative potential, and a few other limiting factors made in our crypto lab. The price of Bitcoin in 2022 will be heavily influenced by high growth and a very dangerous large-scale situation. When we look at the internal crypto problems with big players like FTX, Celsius, Explore, Lunar going down, 2023 doesn't look too good for the bulls. We will probably see a lot of tiring sideways price action with a tendency to drop lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model records market opinion and responds as needed. In 5 years, how much will BCH be worth? In 5 years, the price of BCH could be about $214.06. How much Bitcoin will be worth in 2030 to 2040? How much money in Bitcoin will be worth in 2030? Based on our estimates, Bitcoin Cash will be worth $607.49 in 2030. How much money in Bitcoin will be worth in 2040? Based on our prediction model, Bitcoin Cash will be worth $1,214.98 in the year 2040. Will Bitcoin Cash replace Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin Cash won't replace or beat Bitcoin. BTC. Is Bitcoin Cash worth buying? We believe in fairly risky financial planning, so put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC35 in a box of large cap coins and the rest in small ventures with big profit potential. In this case, Bitcoin Cash is worth buying. Venture Bitcoin Cash, like all other digital currencies, is a risky bet. However, because it has so many uses, it is more likely to go up than down. A lot of planning went into tokenomics. The area is busy, and there is a strong group behind it. What will Bitcoin Cash be worth in the short term? It could be worth $69.95. In the long term, it could be worth $607.49 or much more. Why will Bitcoin Cash be successful and get more expensive? Bitcoin Cash can be used in a good way. A lot of planning went into tokenomics. The area is busy, and there is a strong group behind it. These are important for growth, so our model of what to expect says that Bitcoin Cash will rise to $607.49 in 2030. Why will Bitcoin Cash fail and lose value? There are a number of reasons why crypto projects fail. The ones that are most common are group rejects any kind of authority and leaves. Venture bosses say it's illegal and try to get trades to take it off the market. Lack of media attention to more promising candidates, not having a plan-wide marketing strategy, losing local support, not getting the expected lease growth, not getting new designers to build on their foundation, and not having a plan-wide marketing strategy could all be problems for the gathering. How high will Bitcoin Cash go? Our prediction model says it will explode and reach $1,214.98 in the far future. Will Bitcoin Cash ever make you rich? Yes, if you buy enough of it. Don't expect to invest $100 and become a Bitcoin Cash millionaire. Mogul he then, but 100x value explosions are common in crypto, so investing $10,000 in Bitcoin Cash could make you a mogul. Could Bitcoin Cash ever reach $1,000? Yes, Bitcoin Cash could reach $1,000 by the end of 2024. Long-term value expectations for BCH are that most of their projects will fail. Some new businesses are started just to save money and then close down. Some wouldn't work because of the competition, but most are just ideas that look good on paper.